Why your business should use Instagram. Business owners looking to expand their presence and visibility of their products and services have found Instagram to be an invaluable tool. Instagram is a photo sharing and video sharing social media platform. Besides sharing photos and videos, users can also post temporary stories that live on your profile for 24 hours. Reels, which are 15-second long videos, IGTV videos, and even shop directly from e-commerce brands through the app. More Instagram users. Instagram reports that over 1 billion active users use their social media presence. In addition to those millions, over 500 million people use the platform daily. The success a business can achieve with a dedicated Instagram strategy is unlimited with that many available eyeballs. Businesses of all sizes can thrive. The number of users on Instagram makes it a valuable place for businesses to advertise. The same applies to both large, well-known companies and smaller mom-and-pop shops. Success with Instagram won't come overnight, even for the biggest companies, but if your marketing team wants to get your organization on the map, Instagram can help you. It is possible for businesses to make money directly through Instagram. With time, Instagram has evolved to enable on-platform e-commerce sales. These days, there is a greater emphasis on product placement. Instagram recently updated its home dock to include a shop tab, which lets users purchase directly from brands using Instagram. Instagram also offers shoppable posts, which let businesses tag products in their photos with links that include a description, price, and a link to a store, which will direct users to your online store. Tell stories to make your business relatable. With Instagram, you can show potential customers that you aren't just a faceless corporation. You can do this through many of the app's functions, but you can really stand out with live posts and stories. The best way to use live stories is to show behind-the-scenes glimpses of your company and the people who work there. Hashtags can help you gain visibility. As a new business, you may be intimidated by the competition, but with the right hashtags, you can stand out. Utilizing hashtags effectively can help you stand out from the competition. You can interact with customers effectively. Is there anything better than having customers know you exist? How about being able to interact with them on a regular basis? In general, when people like something, they want to let their opinions be known. Instagram is a social network where users can like, comment on, and share their favorite posts. Optimize your social media marketing strategy with Instagram Insights. Instagram Insights can give you information about your followers and how your content performs, which you can use to improve your other social media marketing campaigns. The insights will tell you the average age and gender of your followers, where they live, how often they use the app, how well each post performs, and when you should post. Conclusion: your business should use Instagram. In conclusion, businesses should use Instagram because it is a great way to connect with customers and share content. The platform is growing in popularity, and businesses that don't use it are missing out on a valuable opportunity. Instagram can help businesses reach new customers, increase brand awareness, and drive traffic to their websites. So what are you waiting for? Start using Instagram today. To help you get started, contact KLT Social today.